On any construction site, time is money. With PERI's new PD5 shoring system, we can save you both. PD5 is an innovative system that comprises only 6 main components, which include base spindles, a choice of 2 frame sizes, diagonal braces, beam spindles, crosshead attachments, and PD5 beam wailers. With this unique and simple design, you get to enjoy reliable flexibility and the ability to use PD5 to its fullest potential for various applications on site. What's more, the PD5 system carries higher leg loads and allows for continuous height adjustments of up to 10 meters. This means fewer shoring towers are required, enabling you to save materials on your job site. The simple PD5 system requires minimal training and is remarkably quick to assemble, and once erected can be moved either by crane or trolley without having to dismantle the system, and that means further time savings. PD5 also contributes to a safer working environment. Fewer components and lightweight materials enable faster assembly, thus reducing worker fatigue, and the unique system design allows for safer erecting within the confines of the structure. Meanwhile, the innovative knee hook allows for erection without the requirement of additional tools or components, making assembly safer and quicker. PD5's higher leg load capacity also allows for wider walkways and free movement. And finally, fewer materials on site means easier and neater housekeeping, and a clean site is a safe site. At PERI, we pride ourselves on excellent customer service and support. Design services provided by our design team will ensure you get maximum capacity usage from our PD5 shoring system. Meanwhile, our team of product specialists and technical advisors maintain a regular on-site presence for training support and speedy troubleshooting whenever needed. Visit our website to see how PD5 is helping our customers save time and money on site. PERI, making construction more efficient, faster and safer.